Hi, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about fractional exponents. First, I'm going to go over exponent rules, just a few of them. If I have the base to a power times the base to another power, we add exponents. If I have the base to a power, we multiply exponents. If I have the base to a power over the base to a power, I subtract exponents. Let's start here. Here I have x to the 2/4 times x to the 6/7. First thing I want to do is I want to simplify that exponent. That's the same as x to the 1/2 times x to the 6/7. And remember our rule, it's right up here. This is the same as x to the 1/2 plus 6/7. 1/2 plus 6/7. First, I'm going to find a common denominator, which is going to be 14. Multiply this side by 7 over 7, and this side by 2 over 2. And that will give me 7/14 plus 12/14, which is equal to 19/14, which means my final answer is going to be x to the 19 over 14 power. This should be my final answer. Here I have t to the 2/4 divided by t to the 1/3. Again, we just use our exponent rules. First, I'm going to simplify 2/4 to 1/2, subtract 1/3, get a common denominator. My common denominator would be 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3, this by 2 over 2. I end up with 3/6 minus 2/6, which equals 1/6. My final answer would be t to the 1/6 power. I have s to the 1/3 power divided by s to the minus 1/6 power, s to the minus 1/3 power. I can say this is the same as s to the 1/3 power times s to the 1/6 power times s to the 1/3 power. Remember, if it's negative, it goes to the opposite position of the fraction. This would be the same as s to the 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/3. Now, if I want to add 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/3, this is the same as 2/3 plus 1/6. Then my least common denominator will be 6. I can multiply this by 2 over 2, and I get 4/6 plus 1/6, which equals 5/6. This is s to the 5/6 power. This one's just multiplication. I have m to the 6th to the 5/12 power, which is equal to m to the 6 times 5/12. I can just cancel this 6 with this 12. I would get a 2 in the denominator. So my final answer would be m to the 5/2 power. This one uses one other exponent rule. If I have a to the m power times b to the n power to the p power, we have to distribute this p. This would be a to the mp, b to the np. We just distribute it to each exponent. Now, if we want to do this problem, we have t to the -4, w to the -3/5, this whole thing to the 2/5 power. The easiest way to do this is, I'm going to distribute. This is -4 times 2/5 times w to the -3/5 times 2/5. This is equal to t to the -8/5, w to the -6/25. Now it says, write your number without using negative exponents, okay? Assume that all variables are positive real numbers. This is the same as 1 over t to the +8/5. It doesn't change just because they're fractions. We just put 1 over that,